Okay guys, I just got this. Graficto from AppSumo. Look at this sleek branding on the box, super clean. I've heard it's a game changer for infographics. Alright, let's open it up and see what's inside. No physical parts here. This is a digital tool. I'm logging in for the first time, fingers crossed. Wow, the dashboard looks modern and really intuitive. No complicated menus, everything is super easy to find. Let's try creating an infographic from scratch. There are tons of ready-made templates to choose from. I'll pick this one for social media stats. Drag and drop elements, so smooth, no lag at all. I'm not a designer, but this feels effortless. Changing colors and fonts is literally one click. Adding icons and images, just search and insert. Everything updates in real time. Love that instant feedback. Let's preview. Wow, this looks super professional. I finished this whole infographic in under 5 minutes. No more wrestling with complicated design software. This would save me hours on my weekly reports. Educators, this is perfect for lesson visuals. Marketers, you'll love the data visualization tools. Business pros, client presentations just got easier. The smart templates adapt as you add information. No weird formatting issues, everything stays aligned. Export options include PNG, PDF, and even SVG. Sharing is simple, just copy a link or download. I love how it auto-saves my work, too. There's a library of icons, charts, and illustrations. You can even customize your brand colors easily. Honestly, this is way faster than PowerPoint. I don't need any design background to use this. It's actually fun to play around with layouts. The learning curve is basically zero. If you hate starting from scratch, you'll love this. I haven't found any major downsides so far. Maybe a few more templates would be nice, but for the price, it's an absolute steal. If you create visuals regularly, check out Graficto. It's on AppSumo right now, so grab the deal. I honestly recommend it for marketers and educators. Link in the description. Don't miss out on Graficto.